Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the news that came out about the Dollar Tree. We're going to look at the chart and then we're going to look at the house in Colorado, just one of the many tradings from the insiders that go on. There's a lot we can learn, and there's something we can learn from the Dollar Tree chart as well. So as we get into it, please hit the like button. It helps me, and that's what I desire. Oh, there's the house in Colorado. There is a house in Colorado. They call the trading Mick Jagger. He's got moves like Jagger. I'll show it to you in a minute. Dollar Tree on Wednesday said it plans to close nearly 1,000 stores over the next several years. Yeah, way off. Don't think about that. The discount store chain lost 1.7 billion in the fourth quarter. Dollar Tree said it will close roughly 600 Family Dollar stores in the first half of 2024. That's pretty quick, huh? And about 370 Family Dollar stores and 30 Dollar Tree stores over the next several years. Way out. Don't worry about that. Okay. Well, over the recent years, rates of shopping around have increased, and we believe that we will only increase further the years ahead. That will only increase in the years ahead. Other chains like Walmart, Aldi, and Dollar General continue to expand, but they don't think it's profitable. Profitable. Does not want to invest in markets where it cannot win, as it is not particularly profitable. Okay. Now, I'm not going to go on about that. What I want to show you is how it acts and what we can learn from it. We'll save the house in Colorado for later. Right now, here's the Dollar Tree. Now, as soon as you see this, like, wow, this is the weekly chart. That's just a big sell-off, right? Well, look back here. What happened here? What happened here? And here, and here, and here. And then eventually here. Well, let's just go to here. But first, let's just go to here. How about that? What happened right here? Oh, already got it up somehow. Okay, something happened here. There was a massive sell-off from people that know better. And what happened in the box area? Why did the stock come back up? Right? Well, right over here, got some news I want to show you. This is common. This is September 7th. That's where that box was. That's September 7th right here. September, whatever it is in this area. Because there's a lot of different things like this that you'll notice. Dollar Tree is dropping prices back to $1. Wow, here's what could be impacted. And it goes through and tells you how this is so good. You know, they're going to move prices back, and that's going to do something good for the stock. Now, I'm not going to read it all to you because it doesn't matter. That's the thing. It's news that doesn't matter about how they're going to move stuff. Dollar store went to $1.25 and then it came back and the stock went up. Okay. Oh, and here's another one over here. Dollar Tree announces in 2023, 11/19. What happened then? What happened 11/19? Right. 11/19, 11/19, 2023. Right. Oh, right there. Okay. Right here, right in the box. According to Wikipedia, no, we're going to read that part. These important additions will demonstrate our company's commitment to improving the experience of our shoppers and building an engaging culture of belonging for our associates. Wow, that's a lot. They really care. Enhance our sales productivity and profitability and ultimately our opportunity to accelerate our store growth. Okay, that's enough. Not trying to read to you a bunch of stuff that doesn't matter. What matters is there's a whole lot of news right here that eventually kicked the stock all the way back up to this important area. This trend line, this is a week. This is a way out, looking way forward. It's all those tops. Now, I took the liberty of digging down a little deeper because this has really been working out. This is nothing anybody showed me. Do you see these little black doji candles that are in a line? All right, what can we learn from that? And I'm just showing you this because it's interesting to me to figure out what the stock's going to do ahead of time. Well, you'll notice it hit our line. Massive sell-off from people that knew something was going to happen right here. The insiders know. The people that sell their own stock know. It drops. Some type of news. We get a pump. And then it hits the important level, drops, and then it comes back and it hits this. It didn't come all the way up. It hit this line right here. All right. Came back down. Let's get it back up there to this important area. Comes down. Almost makes it. And you could move this around, but I'm not trying to show you anything that's not real. And then we have a major dump down to this important area where we need a bunch of news to pump it back up. Now, the second line is another series of little black candles, little doji candles. Okay, so we could I expect, hey, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like it. This is just something I've come up with that seems to be playing out right. You'll notice touch, failure, swing to this line. Touch, failure, swing to this line. Touch, I'm going to be looking right here. Okay. Don't want to enter a short too soon. And just something for you to think about. Somewhere around $1.38, $1.40, something like that. They will have a way to get the stock back up. They've already started. Go down to a daily. This is really interesting. These gaps tell a lot. This major people buying and selling. And you can take that measured line from here to here. It's close. To here. It's a little long there. Fits there. So there's some major sell-offs going on as other people hold the bag. That's what I want you to know. Thought lowering prices, well, they didn't think it. They knew it would run the stock back up. It's what it looks like to me. Hey, maybe I'm wrong. Bam, let me know in the comments. And if you like the stock charts, the very simplistic stock charts, this is just me and the stocks. I've been studying it nonstop, and I'm trying to share with you what I've learned. Dollar General, is the stock going to go up as they announce that 1,000 stores over the next several years are going to be closing? Several years way far out. But wait a minute, 600 in 2024. The first half, by the way. So what do you think is going to happen to the stock? It's going to come back here. It's down from here. Put in the comments. I'm interested to know what you think. Okay, back to the house in Colorado. This particular house in Colorado made 47% in the stock market last year. That's amazing. Mind blowing. The house started buying back here. Oh, let me go to the weekly. Make it a little easier. Started buying back here in 2020, and there's been 67 accounts of buying and over 60. Remember what it was? Buying and selling. Buy, sell, whatever. But somehow or another, this special house in Colorado knew to sell at the very, very tippy top. I mean, it is amazing. It's amazing. So, 47%. That's pretty wild. I can't say too much about it. Now, we have watched silver go up, up, and away, and just for the sake of looking at it, haven't looked at it yet, but silver looks to be, yeah, there's really nothing up here. That's not enough to look at, to be honest with you. It did fill our gap we were talking about. Last time I told you it filled this gap. There was a gap here, came back down and it touched it. There's also there's a small gap here. So you could look for it, man, 24.93, somewhere in here. If you're interested, that trend line is not valid. Might be if I put it on the 4-hour, but I'm not gonna bore you with that. Just know silver could take a little dip down to 24.93. My goal is to get you guys the best price. And speaking of the best price, Stacey released another. I'll share this with you. Yeah, Stacey released another uh, price list, and these are the weekly specials. And what I thought was really interesting is I already told you about the junk silver that's $1.99 over spot. Now here is something really wild. We've got pre-33 right here, pre-33 Liberties at $65 over. So that is the pre-33 that's $65 over spot. Just dwell on that, guys, and take this price list if you want to know how to get it. All you have to do, well, let me stop sharing that. Maybe that'll help. Well, nothing's working. That figures. But you can see the sign right there, 318-564-5823, and she'll give you this price list, and then you can take it with you and know exactly what the prices are. There's no, it holds everybody accountable. There's not many gold companies that are going to do that. So you can take the price list with you, can print it out. It shows up just like this. All you have to do is text your email address to that number, Stacey's number, or open. There's no, how much money do you have to spend? Nothing like that. It's I desire for you to get the best price. Give us a shot type of deal. So, guys, there's some incredible stuff going on. Everything's at an all-time high. We're in the middle of the melt up. I made a video about it, and we're in the euphoric stage. People have been talked out of real money, and the thing about crypto at this juncture, in my opinion, is whoever gets out first is the winner, especially with altcoins. When you have precious metals in your hand, not paper, precious metal shipped to your door, then you do whatever you want from a business that's been in business for over 30 years and has a stellar reputation, Miles Franklin. You got it. You got your wealth. And then as this happens, as you see the price of gold and silver go up or down, you see your investment, it is an investment, and you do get to see your wealth appreciate. That's not why you buy it, in my opinion. You buy it for a hedge against inflation, but that's exactly why it's going to go up. Eventually, the central bankers won't be able to manipulate it. Everybody's been talked out of it. Central bankers across the world, the central banks globally are hoarding precious metals. Okay, that's fact. Can't make it up. Do the research for yourself. What do they know? Just saying. All right, guys, have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next one. Later.